Installing fibre cable for outdoor live events like concerts or outdoor hospitality can be difficult. Each project is different, and cables often need to be pre-made to ensure the connectors are protected from the elements. Then, if the cable is too short or somebody damages the connector, this leads to downtime while a new cable is ordered, and this can be very expensive. With the Cleerline SSF Tactical Connector System, you are in control because it fits around the Cleerline SSF LC connectors which you terminate in the field. With a durable, water-resistant plastic housing paired with a metal socket, this connector is ideal for non-permanent installations where cables will frequently be removed or changed. Now you don't need to guess the length of pre-made cables you need for each project. Simply connect the Cleerline SSF Tactical Connector to your field terminated cable and you're good to go. And when you're finished, unplug the tactical connector, roll up your cable and head to the next gig. For more information, visit cleerlinefibre.com.